Hi everyone, I am Sangeetha, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KSR Arts and Science College for Women, Tiruchengodu. Today we learn about Java programming. Java AWT. AWT means Abstract Window Toolkit. It is a part of Java Foundation class used to create graphical user interface or window-based application. It provides a platform independent libraries but released on native OS components, rendering the Mac it a heavyweight platform dependent application. Part of java.aw package provides GUI components like button, label, text field, checkbox, choice, list, canvas, etc. Heavy weighted components depend on the underlying OS for look and feel. Platform independence appear AWT apps look like Windows apps on Windows MAC, Mac app or Mac OS, etc. AWT hierarchy components consisting container consisting windows and panel, windows consisting frame and dialogues, panel consisting applet. Type of container in Java AWT. There are 4 type of container in Java AWT. First one is window. Window is a top level container that represent a graphical window or dialog box. The window class extended a container class, which means it can contain other components such as button, labels and text field. Panel is a container class in Java. It is a lightweight container that can used for grouping other components within a window or frame. The frame is a container that contains the little bar and bordered and can have menus bar. A dialog box is a temporary window, an application created to retrieve user input. Common AWT components and constructors. Learn the basic of abstract window toolkit in Java for both beginners and experienced developers. Label, button, text field, checkbox, group, choice, list, canvas, scroll bar, menu items and menu, pop-up menu, panel toolkit are the common components of AWT. Layout manager in Java AWT. Layout manager, flow layout, border layout and grid layout and card layout is a control component argument in the container. Event handling component in Java. Java event handler such as action listener, mouse listener, item listener and key listener and window listener are used to capture the action and execute the corresponding response in GUI application. Event handling in Java. An event is a change in the state of object triggered by some action, such as clicking a button, moving the cursor, pressing a key on the keyboard, scrolling a page, etc. In the java.aw.event package provides the various event classes in the handle this action. Classification of event. Events consist in 2 types. First one foreground events, second one is background events. Foreground events are the event that require user interaction to generate. Example of this event include the button clicks, scrolling the scroll bar, moving the cursor, etc. Background events that don't require interaction of the user to generate or non-use the background events. Example, these events are operating system failure, interrupt, operation complaints, etc. Introduction to Java Swing. Swing is the Java Foundation class, library and execution of the abstract window toolkit. Java Swing offers a much improved functional over the AWT. New components, expand components, features and excellent event handling with the drag and drop support. Swing has about 4 items the number of user interface. Components as AWT and it part of the standard Java distribution by today's application. GUI requirements. AWT is a limited implementation, not quite capable of providing the components required for developing the complex GUI requirement in the modern commercial application. Yeah, the AWT components quit a few bugs and does take a lot of system resources. When the compared to the equivalent Swing resources, Netscape introduction to the internet founder classes library for us the Java, it classes because very popular with the programming creating a guide for commercial application. Swing is a set of API. Swing is provided to design the graphical user interface. Swing is an extension library to the AWT. Include new and improved components that have enhancing the look and functionality of guides. Swing can use it to build the standalone Swing guide apps as servlet and applets. It implies model or view design architecture. Swing is entirely written in Java. Swing support a pluggable look and feel. A Swing provides most powerful components. Thank you.